Welcome to our affordable meal series featuring the local Dollar General with fresh market produce, where saving money and eating well go hand in hand. Each week, we're showing you how to turn your Dollar General grocery finds into delicious, budget-friendly, and nutritious meals for your family. No fancy ingredients, just real food for real life. Let's get cooking. Hi, and welcome to another episode of our affordable meal series. I'm so excited to introduce the air fryer today. This is new from last year's series. We didn't have an air fryer last year, so I'm excited to introduce this. Many homes have these nowadays, so if you don't, you can still use your oven for this, or you can do, if you have like a confectioner's oven on your countertop, you could use that as well. But air fryers have become pretty popular, so I wanted to definitely include a recipe for that. So for today, we're going to be doing a quick fish taco. So I'm really excited to introduce this to you guys. This is a great meal for like when you're doing sporting events and you don't have a lot of time. You can get this done in about 15 minutes from start to finish, from heating it up and getting the fish cooked to assembling your tacos and getting them out the door to your kids or what have you. Because they're taco, they're also good for on the go. So if you need to wrap them up in aluminum foil and head to that sporting event now that school's getting ready to start, this is a good one for that too. So just hang tight and we're going to get started. All right, so I've got the air fryer preheating right now. So usually, depending on the instructions on your air fryer, some are 2 to 5 minutes for preheating. So I've got that started, but I want to kind of go over our ingredients real quick. So first off, we're going to talk about our fish. So I got this at the Dollar General store. So this is the Parmesan crusted fish. So these are fillets. They are 2 fillets per serving. There's 5 servings per container. So what two fillets are going to be 260 calories and 11 grams of protein. So depending on the size of your family, if they're going to do 2 fillets per serving, you may need to get an additional bag. This one was just under $8 for the bag of this. So we've got our fish for our protein that are going to go in there. And then we've got one of the highlights to the party. I love these. These are a repeat purchase for me all the time. These Ole Extreme Wellness. These are high fiber, carb friendly tortillas. So one tortilla is only 60 calories and 4 grams of protein. So if you put both fish fillets, which are 11 grams, and then add this to it, you're now up to 15 grams of protein just with the taco. So these are super great, a great way to get your fiber in for the day. 12 grams of fiber in one of these. It's 43% of your daily fiber requirement for a normal diet. So if you're looking for a good way to add in a little bit extra fiber into your diet, which is great for digestion, it's great for combating constipation, things like that, these are really good. They're also made with avocado oil, no seed oil. So again, the ingredients are good. The nutrition and the micronutrients in there are good, and they've got some good protein in there. And they're low calorie and low carb. So for me, these are an MVP of a staple in the household. And then just to finish up with the tacos, so we're going to put the fish in the taco. We can shred up a little bit of cheese to go with it, and then a little bit of shredded lettuce like I got from the fresh market at the LJ, Dollar General. And then I've got this Parmesan garlic wing sauce to top it with. So this sauce is 1 tablespoon serving, only 40 calories. So it's really good. Doesn't have a lot of fat. Has 1 carb in it. And just a little bit of cholesterol. So overall, the macros on this one is also really, really good. So we'll get the fish cooked in this, and then we'll get those fish tacos assembled, and we'll get you out the door in 15 minutes or less. All right, so our fish tacos just came out of the air fryer. So I'm going to pull them out here and show them to you. Those look nice and crispy and ready to go. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to assemble these real quick. And just because I want to show you all how quickly these can come together, if you are, in fact, traveling for the night, I'm going to go ahead and prepare it to go so we can get it out to the kids. We can get on to wherever we need to go for the day, for sporting events or what have you, and make sure that they have a good, nutritious meal on the way out the door. So I've got my aluminum foil here. We're just going to take one of our tortillas. And again, if you're breaking this for 2, you could always wrap them together. So we're just going to put that out there. I'm going to get a little bit of our sauce and put on there as well. And so you can start with a little bit of sauce and just drizzle it on there. And we're going to add 2 of our fish fillets into that. Just slide them right on there. And we've got a little bit of shredded lettuce. Again, you could shred some cheese and put on it if you wanted to. If you already have some Parmesan at home, you could go ahead and put some Parmesan on it as well. Let's see, we've got some fresh jalapenos from the fresh market as well. If you wanted to add some diced jalapeno to that, you could add some tomato to it if you wanted to. So we're just going to put some lettuce on there as well. We're going to drizzle with a little bit more sauce. So you're almost going to get like your own fish taco, kind of like you would from McDonald's with a fish sandwich or from Chick-fil-A or something like that, but it's going to be a much more nutritious version. And then once it's all prepared, you just kind of roll it up like that. Put your little restaurant self together, wrap it up, and then hand it to that kiddo, and you are ready to get out the door and move on to where you need to go. So fish tacos from the Dollar General store, highlighting the fresh market, and we hope you enjoy. All right, rounding out this on-the-go nutrition, 1 taco, 450 calories, 18 grams of protein, 53 carbs, and 21 grams of fiber. Thank you again for watching our affordable meal series. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel as we will continue to build a health, safe, and thriving community with you.